So today we're going to talk about the new Samsung Note 9. It's supposed to be announced early August, but I had the chance to get my hands on one of them and play around, and there's a lot of cool features that I probably want to share with you guys. Now keep in mind, everything here has been confirmed and is still confidential. First thing that's been upgraded is the internal memory. So this new device actually comes with 128 gigs of internal memory. So for those people that love to download things and store things, this device is going to be perfect. I mean, you can always add an additional SD card, but 128 gigs internal as a base model, that's amazing. The new battery on the Note 9 is 4,000 milliamps. So now, if you're that person that uses your phone heavily and is worried about your phone dying, you will not have the problem with this device. This device is actually built to entertain you, and with 4,000 milliamps, I can only imagine the lifetime of this battery. Keep in mind, Samsung also has a lot of features within the phone to help you save battery. So I know this is going to be one of those devices that you're going to get a full day of use out of. I got to play around with the stylus. The stylus is pretty cool. The new stylus comes in this yellow color that you probably notice in all of the Samsung marketing. So this stylus is Bluetooth enabled now, and the button is actually a remote. So things you might be able to do, for instance, if you want to take a picture and you want to put your phone and place it away from you, you can press the button on the pen in order to take a picture. Same thing with presentations. If you're doing a presentation with your device, you can use the button in order to click through slides and not have to actually tap the screen. So the pen comes with a lot of additional features that might be very helpful. Now, a feature that works alongside the pen is the built-in DeX feature. So you do not need additional hardware. You don't need the DeX station to actually have your phone become a full computer platform. All you need is the HDMI cable that's given by Samsung with the DeX capabilities, and your device automatically becomes a full-fledged Chromebook. So for those that don't want to spend additional money on a laptop, again, this device is going to be built for you. This is a perfect device to have and to be able to multitask and to do things. If you're a person that gives a lot of presentations, this device is definitely going to be built for you. Any more information that I come across with this device, I will make sure to let you guys know first. Again, these are not rumors, these are confirmed features that the device will have. And if you're a heavy phone user, this device is definitely going to be built for you. Any more questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Subscribe, share this video. I will see you guys later. Thank you.